So welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to build a WordPress website with free hosting. Yes, we're going to be using a free web hosting to build a WordPress website. So the hosting I'm going to use is actually Infinityfree, as you know. So in this process, I'm going to teach you how to actually create an account in Infinityfree, how to visit the cPanel, how to host your WordPress website on it. So also I'm going to teach you other trick that you can utilize to build your website in Infinityfree without having to pay anything. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have not hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button and support my journey as I grow the YouTube channel. Now this is Infinityfree, and in this Infinityfree, to access it you have to visit www.infinityfree.com on your web browser, and you'll be taken to this web page where you can literally start your development process on how to build your website. Now the next thing is to actually click on register. So you click on register, and then you create an account on Infinityfree. So right here you are actually learning how you can literally create an account to host your website on Infinityfree. So you click here, you enter your email address. So for this, I'm going to say v3designtech@gmail.com. Now this is the email address I'm actually utilizing for this purpose. And so this is the email address I'm utilizing for this purpose. The next is to enter a password. So I'm going to use this as a password. I'm just going to copy this and confirm your password. I've read the terms and conditions, and then you click on verify that you're a human being, and then you click on sign up, and you have entered a common used password. Okay, so for that, let me just copy the text. I want something that is easy to remember. I don't want to stress myself. Then once I paste it here, I'll use the same thing. I've read the terms and conditions and this, and then I'm going to click on sign up. So now I've actually signed up. So let me see, no thanks. And I have to open my Gmail to be able to actually access the code or the artificial link that was sent to my Gmail. So as you can see, this is the mailing link that was sent, and then I have to use it to verify my email address. So I'll click on it, and as you can see, I already have my Infinityfree account created. So that's how easy it is, guys, to create an account or your account from Infinityfree in order for you to build your website or start hosting your WordPress website. Now the next process is how we can actually start creating how you can create an account from your Infinityfree panel where you can build your website or host your website. So guys, we'll continue on that.